Hey everybody, Swarovski here. In this video, I'm just going to show you where our cubbies are for your 3D prints, where you can pick them up, and where those are located. So on our first pillar here, underneath the tables, you're going to look, and as you come, you're going to see that there's an hour right here, and that's for second hour. And then as you go around, there's all these other spots with the same thing with hours on there. So you'll locate the hour that you're in. So I'll use the second hour example. So you'll see that it's a second hour, and then down here there's all these letters. It's just simply by your last name. So let's say my name's Swarovski, so I'd go down to RW, S is in there, pull it out, and you're gonna see that all the names in there, and you'll just locate which one's yours, find your cubby, pick out your 3D print, and that's it. So that's where they'll be located once they're printed the next day. If they're not, come talk to me, and something might have happened, or we might not have been able to print it for some reason. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.